Hey, what's going on guys? Akshay here. We're gonna go ahead and show you how to put air filter on your 2015 Hyundai Genesis. This is for the 3.8 V6 and we're gonna put this K&N air filter right there. Some of you guys might be thinking, why did I just put it on ground? It still has the plastic over, so it's fine. Here is the air filter. All the links will be in the description below, so go ahead and check it out. I know it's been a long time, but back here with my sweet ride I just got in February. So I'm going to show you how to open up your front hood. That's the release. Go ahead and come back to front and put your hand around right in this line, and it's got the hydraulic, so it will stand its own. So you're gonna have to remove this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and this rod. This is the actual air filter placement. This is where we're gonna put it. Now if you are putting air intake, that's a different story, but I don't think I want to spend that $300 to put intake. You might have noticed that this was unplugged. I wanted to see what the map sensor looks like before we go ahead and shoot the video. That's the map sensor. So let's go ahead and get started. Now for this particular bolts, you're gonna need number 12 wrench. So let's go ahead and grab it. I already have it, and that's a little Vespa that I have, small project that I've been working on that I haven't been able to finish. So let's go ahead and unbolt this. You're gonna push this out towards the passenger side and the rod will come out. You don't need to take this particular piece out. That's a lot of clamps and whatnot to take off, so I am not doing that. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this 1, 2, I don't know, you can see it, and where's the third one? 1, 2, right here, third one. 3 clips. So let's go ahead and pop this out. 1, 2, and 3. Go ahead and push this in, tap it in, and it will come off and it will get released, and that's what comes out. Make sure you don't lose it, because this is again a essential part to put it back in. You're gonna go ahead and lift this up, and if everything is good, what we're going to do is slowly, without breaking this is attached again. If you want to be safe, go ahead and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different pieces out. Look, this one is already released, so we're gonna put it back in, and just like that. So what we're going to do is carefully, with one-handed, I'm trying this not to break it, so make sure you're careful as well. Don't blame me if you do. And as you can see, this is how it's gonna look, and right here you're already bending it enough, but these plastics are made tough, so that won't break. And there you go, you already have this lifted. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and take this air filter out, and as you can see, this is fairly new. There hasn't anything that's wrong with this. Just like I said, I just can't resist the K&N. So we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy in. Before you put it in, go ahead and visually inspect it. If you have some lifts or something that like I do, if you can take it out, there's a rock in here. Yep, go ahead and take out anything and everything that you can. And as you can see, I do have some stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause my video and take some stuff out. My best to go ahead and remove everything visually. Now if you really want to clean this, you can go ahead and unscrew this clamp and take the pipe apart. Make sure you remove this right here, the map sensor, and there are 2 bolts, I believe. There is one around and under this too. You can remove the whole tray out. Go ahead and clean it out and give it a deep clean, but I am not about to do that, so we're going to go ahead and put this. Now fairly easy, go ahead and drop it in. I'm gonna pause the video because I don't want to touch the actual filter with my dirty hand, so I'm gonna pause it again. And like that, we have replaced it with K&N. Go ahead and put this back on and screw it back on, and that's how you replace it. That's how you replace the air filter. And again, before you guys comment saying I forgot the rod, I'm going to put it on, but what I'm going to do is go ahead and give it a clean to the actual compartment. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more videos on the Genesis Sedan.